Wow, that looks so good. Today is June 30th, 2024. And I remember when we started our garden back in April, we usually wait for my son's birthday to start planting. And we did. Look at those zucchinis. Come on, guys. I gotta show you. Look at that. Right? April, May, June. 2 months later, I have food. I have fresh zucchini to bake and to cook, because you can bake zucchini bread, you can saute them as a vegetable, you can grill your zucchini, you can bake them, you can smash them in your legume. So much to do with this beautiful creation. I mean, come on. All right, so let's go to the second one. We planted 2 zucchini plants. So now this is the second one. Look at that. Guys, I think something happened from last week. We had a lot of rains, a lot of lightning. And you know what lightning does? What it does to the soil, it releases nitrogen. And I think something happened in the past 2 days. The weather really played a big role on getting the zucchini the way they look. Look at that. I'm going to get it out. All right, let's harvest, okay? This is the beauty. This is the beauty of planting. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? This is God's creation.